Okay, guys. John Lazar, he sent me a no-scale boxcar last week. So he told me he was going to send me a couple more boxcars. So I'm going to open this box, and you guys are going to open it with me. I don't know what's in it, so let's do this together. I really don't know what era, what style. I pretty much know that it's going to be O-scale. It's going to be O-scale Lionel, I think. Once again, pretty sure you guys can see this. I'm not sure, actually. It's another Pennsylvania Railroad Company packing slip. It says 4 Lionel O-gauge boxcars, 1 Santa Fe van. The Santa Fe van? Okay. I don't know what he's talking about. Hold up. Let me, Oh, no way, John. Let me scoot this box over. Look. There's an orange Rio Grande boxcar. I mean, how beautiful can you... I'm lost for words. I mean, you can't... And another, an orange Western Pacific car. He already sent me a silver one. You guys, hold on a second. Sorry for the interruption. I had a phone go off in the background. Anyway, this must be the van he's talking about. Let me grab these other two. What? Dude! Alright, it's a silver and red. Silver and red Rio Grande boxcar. I've never seen a silver and red Rio Grande before. That is freaking cool. What? No, he gave me a yellow one. Alright. This yellow and silver one, I used to collect an N-scale and HO back in the day. Right now, I don't have any. Now I've got one in O. So I've got the Rio Grande yellow, silver, and orange. Oh wow, man! I am blown away at the moment. Dude, John is a rock star. It said something about a van. Kind of don't know what he's talking about here. What? Alright. Let's see what this... Oh, that is freaking cool. Alright, look you guys. He gave me a Santa Fe. It's like a moving truck. It's a like what, 40 foot box van? Let me get out of the clamshell. What? How does it get out of the clamshell? It's adult. Hold on. It's adult proof. Kids can get into it, but guys, adults can't. Is it one of those things? I don't want to mess this up while I'm on the camera. I see, he taped it. There we go. Look at that, you guys. Is that the coolest truck ever? That is my very first O-scale vehicle. It's much newer. It looks like in the 2000s almost, right? But when you're dealing with O-scale, I don't think anybody gives a crap about freaking era. That is sweet. Dude, I don't know. John, you're my rock star right now. And, yeah, I just sent you a package too, bro. Enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy this more than ever. Thank you so much, man. I very much appreciate it, John. Thank you, bro.